What's up, y'all? For today's video, we're gonna be going over the Red Rock Canyon. So this is about a 35-minute drive from where we reside. So we figured, why not do it while we're still out here in California? So we're gonna show you some scenery. First things first is we're gonna stop at this visitor center because I think we have to pay. I think the admission is $6 to go ahead and park your car around here, and we'll see what else you get with that. Volcanic ash, which is white. That's kind of cool. Sandstone. A couple of things that can be found within these rocks are bones, like the saber tooth. Some horse teeth. A whole bunch of different things around here. Yo. Big old caveman.
He's fat.
Is it a he or a she?
I was about to say she's got boobies.
I don't know. Alright, so we don't really know if we're gonna be comfortable walking over there. So we have parking pass that we paid for, which gives us the green light to go ahead and drive up there. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Not to be lazy, but I'm kind of glad we didn't walk because this is all gravel road. Wouldn't fit too well with the stroller that we got. There are signs, so it looks like it's dog friendly. They had a no shooting sign, and they had a no drone flying sign. So if you guys have the drone, don't think you'll be taking it out here. But look at that sky and mountains. It's pretty neat looking. And these are all campgrounds, by the way. So as you can tell, they got the picnic table over here, place to park your RV, pitch a tent, whatever type of camping you're into. And then Heather was actually talking to the ranger, the park ranger. And we want to tell them what she said about the snakes.
So she was telling me, because I'm like, I don't know why, driving over here I had this fear that we were gonna get bit by a snake. She had told me that even if you get bit, and we're like, let me just emphasize, we're far away from a hospital. And I said, well, we'll be dead if we get bit by the time we get to a hospital. And she said, nope, you'll survive. She said, you might have muscle damage, you might have nerve damage, but that you'll get bit, but you'll make it to the hospital and you'll survive. And she said, also, you only get bit if you accidentally step on them or you're bothering them. They said that they do not bother you. They'll warn you if you're near them, which is still scary to me. And I still think you'll get bit. But that's what she told me.
Kind of wish I took my car now because there's some pretty sick places to take pictures around here, which I'm about to go do right now. This thing is massive. Just looking at the sheer size of that rock wall, pretty crazy. As far as the eye can see, nothing but rocks, shrubs, dirt, and the occasional campers. Pretty cool out here, huh? Just because I want to see a little up more close, I'm walking away from the car. And let's go look at this thing. Just gotta listen for rattles. Hey, I'm not trying to get bit. I already hate snakes as it is. Look at that, there's like a little cave down there. I might have to check that out. You can tell that looks like little footprints where you can probably climb up there. That's exactly what it looks like. It's 1 foot, 2 foot, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. And then you can probably climb up there. Or you can probably fall, which I'm more likely to do than these Supras. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out that cave. Let's go. If it's something that I can invite Heather and Bryson to come see. Looks pretty cool. Watch this. Whew. Alright, this little pocket of stuff moving around. kind of scared me, but it's really nothing. But there you go, you can see how deep this thing is. Pretty crazy if you ask me. Let's see if it echoes. Echo! No, it does not echo. Just kind of look like a fool because there's like people camping over here. But very cool. Very cool. We're gonna go check out this cave. Come on, let's go explore.
Let's go on an adventure.
We're supposed to scare Mom. No, this is as deep as it goes. Could you imagine falling down here? And that's your only way out? You would not be, we'd be stuck.
Feel it.
It's actually like really soft, like you can kind of break it apart if you really wanted to. Kind of crazy. All right, one last look at this place. Pretty cool. Get you guys a little close-up look. Pretty insane, I think. Surprised there's no critters hiding in there, actually, to be honest with you. But yep. Let's go see what else we can go find around this place. And it's honestly only 82 degrees out here, but boy does it feel good to be back in the car with AC because I don't know, for some reason it just feels a lot hotter outside. So I'm parking here because while we're pulling up, I saw a, what's that say? Desert View Nature Trail. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. I'm not gonna walk it, but we'll go ahead and see what kind of trail it looks like and everything like that. So, you ready?
Sure.
Sure, let's go. Ready, Freddy? All right, well there we are. We're parked there. We came up this way, and that's that little sign I was talking about. So this is the path. It's not paved or anything. It's just, I don't know, as you guys can kind of see for yourselves, it's just a little dirt path. I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to go. The inner adventure of me wants to go check that out. Let's trade camera for the boy.
Let's go.
All right. I traded you.
I'm going.
There we go, Mom. Bryson giving you sass.
You are giving me sass.
Anyways, there's a cave that we would like to see today before it gets dark. So if you guys don't mind, tell Heather to hurry up in the comments below. That'd help us out. Well, boys, I guess it's another dead end. I don't think we're gonna find any caves actually. This is just probably like a big rock surface. But there's another entry to the left, so let's go see. Any other kind of animal? We're gonna throw a rock. You ready? You don't hear no roar. So I think we're okay. Let's go check it. Come on. Dead end. Look at this thing.
The sand is like beach sand. My shoes untied.
Holy smokes. Whoo, she made it. I feel like we're the family that's known to go hiking and stuff. And plain old regular shoes. We did this at Big Bear. We did this at a couple other places too. So we never intend on hiking. We just like to park and go see things. So that's what we do. But that's pretty much it. Honestly, that big old loop. Honestly, this campsite's a big old loop, so it goes basically around clockwise, one way in, one way out. So if you can see down that building over there, that's where we started from. That's the state park over there. We did that little museum. Then you loop around through all the campsites along this rock surface, and then you make your way around and out. So we're gonna go ahead, head back to the car, and drive on out of here. Oh, I think she just said there's a snake, so it's time to go real quick. Yeah, I'm not gonna get close to that. Nope. Alright, I think we're pretty safe now, but like I was saying, we're gonna get back to the car, and we're gonna drive up back to the visitor center, and on our way back up to the house, we go this way. And so it's basically on the other side of these rocks. It's, you actually see more red tint into the mountain, so, or cliff, rocks, whatever you guys want to call this little 8th wonder of the world. And actually I wanted to tell you guys this before I forgot. There's actually no cell phone service, and we have Verizon, which Verizon's pretty much everywhere. Yeah, that sucks. So don't get bit, listen to the rules, and plan to not have cell phone service. So not getting out of the car, but on our way out, we saw that Desert View Nature Trail sign again, and let me show you guys for reference real quick. So there's the Desert View Nature Trail, as designated by those rocks right there. We were over there thinking this was the trail, so that's my bad. And then here's the pricing for everything. Campsite, all the way to motorcycles, ATVs, buses, all that. We would pay here, and the park ranger would verify it, I guess. But since we just came out through there, we paid our money and everything. Technically, if you wanted to drive through this path to the right, which is what we did, we'd probably get away with doing it without paying that money. But we're pretty much Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts. We're honest people. We're gonna listen. That's only $6, so nothing too crazy. But if you're gonna swing through there, probably like 5 minutes, I don't think it's gonna hurt anybody. Nobody's gonna know. And actually, I do need to tell you guys this. They are only cash or check. So there was one couple in there, didn't have the money, cash or check, and she said, oh, pay us out on the next time you come out. So I don't think it's that big of a concern for them, but hey, I'm just letting you guys know what you guys can do if you're out here at the Red Rock State Park. So that's that. But like I said, we're on our way. We're gonna go check out those other red rocks. And voila. Look at that, that's pretty cool, huh? And I'm not even joking you, there are people climbing this thing. Let me see if I can zoom in for you, but it's pretty crazy. So, there's even a little kid climbing. Let's see. So there's one guy, come up. There's a dude and his kid. And even higher up are 2 more guys. Might be a girl, I'm not too sure. Can't tell from here, but once I zoom out, look how high they are. Let's see. They're up there. That's pretty darn high. And then you got the normal families down there taking pictures. But we already got all of our pictures on the other end. We're not gonna take Bryson out of the car seat again just to walk another 50 feet that way. But, I do want to take some cool pictures, so I think I'm gonna make her come out anyway. What do you guys think? Let's go, we're gonna go take some pictures because this is actually pretty cool.
Do you really want to take him out of the car seat again?
Yep.
And I have to put my shoes on?
Yep. Good lighting out here. Can't beat the lighting. But apparently this is Hagen Canyon, somewhere completely different than the Red Rock State Park, which is on the other side of this little rock surface. Well, back in the comfort of the car, we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. It was actually pretty exciting. This is the first time we've ever done it, so we figured we'd bring you guys along like we like to do for most of our weekend adventures. But anything you want to say to them?
No.
Rude. But anyways, I want to say thanks for watching as always. Let us know, like I always say too, if you guys like us doing little adventures like this, let me know, and we'll try to push out more content for you guys like this. But Bryson's back there munching down on some food, and we're gonna go drive back home. So until next time,
Catch you guys later.
peace.